Have you ever run Facebook advertisement or Meta advertisement and you didn't get results? It is not because Meta ads is not working. It is probably because your campaign setup is wrong. Having the wrong campaign objective can alter the goal of your advertisement. That is, you can take your ads to the wrong people, the wrong places, and you won't get results at the end of the day. So getting it right with your campaign objective is very, very vital and important. And so today, I'm going to be showing you the campaign strategy I use to get consistent results, the right setup, the right structure, and the mistakes that silently kills performance. By the end of this video, you should be very sure, or you should know exactly what campaign strategy you should be selecting when running your Facebook advertisement. And I'm going to explain everything about each of them, all you need to know about Facebook campaign objectives. So stay tuned, let's dive in straight into the business of the day. If today is your first time on this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post any content relating advertisement, you can be notified and you can go learn some things from there. Because on this channel, I teach you how to run Facebook ads in a most profitable way. Because Facebook ad can be very, very tricky. It's not about running advertisement, right? It's about getting results. It's not about pumping money into your ads. It's about getting leads, getting sales, getting results for your money. That is when you cannot say you are winning as an advertiser. So guys, let's go straight into the business of the day.
So here we are on my Facebook account, and this is the ads manager. Assuming you have your ad account set up and you're ready to run advertisement, here is my ad manager, and let's go dive straight into it. So when you click on campaign, you're going to see the different campaign objectives that Facebook have for you, and all of these campaign objectives have their specific roles. There are specific roles they are supposed to play in your advertisement, and this actually will determine the result you are going to get on the long run. So getting it right from this stage by selecting the right campaign objective will determine if your Facebook advertisement will get you the result you're looking for, or if it will not get you whatever result you're aiming for. So let's start with traffic. Traffic is basically when you want to generate traffic onto your website, right? So it's not in all cases you use traffic. For instance, if you're into e-commerce and you're looking for customers to buy your products directly from your website, whatever you're selling, you can just go and pick traffic campaign objective and expect to see result. Of course, you're not going to see result because traffic is not meant to give you instant sales. Do you understand? Traffic is not meant to give you instant sales. There's a lot of mistake that a lot of advertisers make, and you cannot get direct sales from traffic. It has its own objective why you can use it, right? So traffic is good for just when you want people to go onto your website. You want to drive traffic onto your website, not necessarily because you want them to take action from there, not necessarily because you want them to purchase from there, like action like purchasing the product in the router or placing an order for it, or even filling the deals and giving you their leads or something. Not necessarily because you want them to do that, or because you just want them to go onto the website. And I'll give you an example. When you have the blog page and just want people to go onto that blog page and probably read up the articles you have there, of course, yes, you can use the traffic campaign objective. So, and a few things I want to say about traffic campaign objectives is that it's actually very simple to set up. All you need to do is to just select traffic, put in the right creatives. You have the text creative, the image creatives, and publish. You're good to go. Set the right audience you want and all of that, and you are absolutely good to go. You don't need pixel setup. So you see how straightforward it is for traffic. And like I told you, it is best when you just want people to go onto your website. Yeah. So it is good when you just want to send people onto your website without the intention of making them buy your product immediately. Probably you just want them to go onto your website and read up your blog post. Yeah. traffic is good. We can use traffic for that end, because what you're looking for is no sales, and it's just traffic. You want a lot of traffic to your website. You can track the, and also if you have a website that you want a lot of persons to visit, and while they are visiting, you're tracking the visits, you're tracking persons visiting the website, then it is perfect for you. Traffic is very okay for you, because it's going to get you a lot of persons onto the website, but of course they are not going to buy. So if sales is your objective, please, you cannot go for traffic and expect to get sales. It is not done that way. So let's go on to the next one, which is engagement. So when you basically want people to engage on your post, then you go for engagement campaign objective. When you want a lot of comments, when you want a lot of likes, and when you want, people reaching out on Messenger, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, yes, good, we can use engagement campaign. But please do not use engagement campaign when you want people to buy your product. It is not going to work. There's a way you progress into that, from engagement traffic to sales, but you cannot use engagement and expect people to purchase from your website. It's not going to work that way. You're not going to get direct buyers from just engagement. You're just going to get a lot of persons engaging on your post and all of that. So especially when if let's say you want a lot of followers on your profile, you want people to come onto your profile, you want them to see probably your pin messages, to read up about it and all of that. Traffic is good. You can use traffic as well to drive persons onto your profile. And engagement is also good. You're going to get followers in tons from that particular ad, but it is not meant for purchase. That is my point. Now let's go on to the next one, which is awareness. Awareness is good for reach, like Facebook is saying. It's good for brand awareness. It's good for video views. So when you want to do an awareness for your company, then your go-to is basically awareness. So you're not necessarily looking for immediate sales. Like I said earlier, you're not necessarily looking for immediate purchase. You just want people to be aware of your brand. For instance, this particular campaign objective is used by big brands, top brands. I'll give you an example. When Toyota is running advertisement, for instance, it's not necessarily for people to come and buy Toyota cars. It could just be for people to be more aware. They can decide to just run an awareness campaign objective and litter their products all over, different Toyota cars all over. Not necessarily because they want immediate buyers, though some of those persons can be potential buyers and they get to buy after a while. But the aim of that campaign is not to get buyers at that time. It's to just raise awareness about the brand, right? It's to just raise awareness about the brand, and different other big brands actually do that. But why I say this is for big brands is because when you don't have a lot of budget for awareness, to me, for a small scale business, it's actually not necessary. This time, it's not necessary. You can just, if you want people to just come and buy directly, your aim is purchase, you can just go for the right campaign objective, not awareness anymore, right? Awareness does not give you purchase, and all of that doesn't give you purchase. So the next one is app promotion. So app promotion is for people that have an application on Apple Store, on Play Store, and you want people to get your app installed on their phone. Like Facebook is showing us, it is good for app installs, it is good for app events, right? So app installs is basically when you want a lot of persons to download your app and use. So yeah, you can use app promotion to get them more aware about your app, then they get to install from there and all of that. So app promotion is the perfect campaign objective for that aim. And also app events. If let's say you have an in-app purchase, you can get people aware about that, on how to use your app, how to purchase within your app with this particular campaign objective. It is basically for app. Then the last two I want to explain is leads and sales. I want to explain them together because they are similar, right? Like leads is Facebook is telling us it is good for instant forms, it is good for Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, conversion and cost. While sales is good for conversion, catalog sales, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp, then it is good for cost as well. So the first one, which is lead, for instance, when you want to get in contact with potential customers, you're going to use leads. So basically, you just want to collect their details, you want to collect their emails, you want to collect their phone numbers, you just want to collect leads from them while you keep them in your community, right? And later get them to be your customers by patronizing you. So you use leads objective. So leads campaign objective sometimes it's not necessarily looking for you to come and buy immediately, but it is meant to make you buy in a short while. Let's say if I want to run an advertisement for social media agency, for instance, I'm going to use leads. I'm going to tell people to put in their email, their contact details, people that are interested in working with me, stuff like that, to run advertisement for them and all of that. I can get them to submit their leads, get their emails, get their phone number, then reach out to them, keep following up until they eventually patronize my social media advertising agency and we get to work together. So later on I convert them to real-time customers. Do you understand? Well, the last one is sales. Sales is basically for the e-commerce business guys, for physical business, for drop shipping. So when you want immediate sales, and I believe this is what a lot of persons use, this is what many persons use. I know many persons who are just here on Facebook to make instant sales. So there is no need to beat around the bush. There is no need to go first into traffic and all of that. So you go straight for sales. It is meant to drive sales. Facebook algorithm already knows people that are likely going to buy your product.